Most people move through life affected by powerful systems they never see: financial, political, social, biological, and technological. These systems shape your opportunities, your costs, your access, and your outcomes every single day. Welcome to How Systems Work channel, where we pull back the curtain on systems of all sorts. Each episode examines a different system: how it was designed, who designed it, under what circumstances, and whose interests were represented when it was built. We trace the mechanics, follow the incentives, and expose the trade-offs so you can see not just how a system functions, but why it was built to function that way. We present competing perspectives without taking sides. We follow cause and effect without assigning blame. We identify who benefits and who doesn't, and let you draw your own conclusions, because systems don't emerge from nowhere. They are designed by people at specific moments in history to solve specific problems, sometimes for everyone, sometimes for a few. Understanding who built a system and why often reveals more about its true purpose than the system itself ever will. No agenda, no oversimplification, no telling you what to think. A new system is examined every week. Clarity precedes opinion here.